Good, man, this hand right here, I'm the owner of 426, so right here in my store. So I've been telling people, everybody want to get their stuff in the store. I know, you know what I'm saying? So I've been telling people to send me boxes, man. So these are a few boxes right here that I don't got sent. This shit come in daily. I done did over 15 different reviews of people who don't send me in. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna go through these boxes with y'all, you know what I'm saying? So this is the first box right here. I ain't gonna, this is the thing though too. When I review y'all stuff, man, y'all can't get mad at me for what I say. I'm just speaking on my point of view. You get what I'm saying? I like your shit. If your shit look cheesy and cheap to me, hey, it is what it is. Just because your shit don't look good to me, that don't mean somebody else might not like that shit. So I need y'all to understand, man, fashion shit is like, this shit like art. You get what I'm saying? Shit. One artwork might look like some shit that somebody like, and then she might not look like nothing to somebody else. But shit, this artwork might go for this, you know what I'm saying? Just depend on your personal point of view when it comes to this fashion. Well, I ain't even gonna say it depend on your personal point of view, because some of y'all shit just be trash. You get what I'm saying? But let me get in this shit. I ain't gonna talk out ears. Let me get into this shit right quick. Alright, man, so look, man, I'm doing a review on this brand right here. Somebody just sent me a box, man. Let's get into it, man. Send me a cut. Y'all gonna watch me open this up, man. They see me a variety of things too. I'm gonna get the names together. Contemporary clothing. This is the first item right here.
Mukari. They've been writing in Mukari. Muikara. They've been DMing the page. I've been seeing.
I appreciate Mukari for sending me this shit, man. Let's get into it, man. First of all, this one right here, I can't say it's bad. Would I wear it, me personally? I don't know. Maybe to the gym or something like that. But shit, the shirt, it looking very Pakistanish. You know what I'm saying? It's smooth. Got the praying hand. Let the good time. Oh, they from New Orleans. Shout out to New Orleans, man. I got a couple goddamn brands that don't send me shit from New Orleans, man. I never been to New Orleans before too, man. I don't know why, man. Hey, shout out my boy Broderick, man, out in New Orleans. I'm coming out there to see you one day, bro. You know, we been late Katrina, man. I got another piece right here. Living life. I ain't gonna cap. This shit, deep. Probably wear something like this. Like some little throw-on shit, you know what I'm saying? This one ain't bad. I don't really like the colors on this. I'm not a bright color wearing this nigga, you feel me? So the hoodie, probably no-go. The other t-shirt, probably no-go. The long sleeve, I probably could fuck with something like that. Got this hoodie right here. Kind of Pakistan. Hey, I'm sending me my size too, you know what I'm saying? This ain't bad. I like, y'all niggas got on me. I forgot what this called again, embroidery, you feel me? It's embroidered, you know what I'm saying? To me, I don't like Pakistan clothes, you get what I'm saying? So when I see stuff, I'm just gonna automatically assume it's Pakistan because China got like kind of like specific, you know what I'm saying? Like, oh shit, man, got a beanie in this motherfucker. Like Mardi Gras beanie. It like, I ain't gonna lie, like a chat GPT design on this motherfucker though. But I mean, it ain't bad. All the rainbow colors, man, but bit kind of small. So my head big as hell too, so I don't really know. This shit I can say is, man, all my folks who be sending me shit, I had somebody call my phone earlier today and got mad at a review that I did on their clothes. And what I can say, man, at the end of the day, man, if y'all let anything I say discourage y'all from doing shit, then that means you ain't really want to do it for real anyway, you know what I'm saying? Cause who the fuck am I? I just got a clothing store. I'm a nigga from Atlanta who got a clothing store, bro. No, I'm not the judge, the jury, none of that shit, man. I'm know what the fuck I'm finna sell in my store. You get what I'm saying? So if you doing clothes, nigga, buying your shit, man, keep doing your thing. Don't let me stop y'all, folks. Oh, it's the Mardi Gras hoodie that go with the beanie. Okay. I'm not a like little cartoonish like this. I don't really like that personally, but like I said, that's just me personally. Like it looked like demonic too. I mean, I don't know. Y'all tell me the story behind y'all brand and shit. I just want to know. I know it's New Orleans. I know y'all out there in the Big Easy. I know what y'all be on down there. Shit, I mean, it's smooth. What I say is about this shit, the quality not bad on it. Me personally, like, man, shit, it's a big just having merchandise and actually having a real brand too. And y'all gotta figure that shit out for y'allself. So if this is like some shit just made just to make, you know what I'm saying, like you find something, you know what I'm saying? I know I got a lot of festivals, second lines, all that shit. This shit, I know this shit will go out there, you know what I'm saying? But as you trying to get into like retail and stuff like that, you kind of got to broaden your horizons, kind of like, you know what I'm saying? Stuff that everybody will want, not just people from your city or region, your town, you get what I'm saying? But I mean, shit, yeah, I got a piece of shit like me personally, what I sell and stuff, I don't think it's what I sell in the store. But I mean, shit, I'm pretty sure you selling. Y'all keep doing your thing, man. Shout out to these folk right here. Y'all keep sending me y'all shit, man. Y'all know what it is. All right, so look, we back, man. It's another brand right here. I don't see no name on it. Next Level 502. It's a brand. Send me some shit. Check this shit out, y'all. They wrote me, I have a dream note. This the brand right here, y'all. I appreciate these words of encouragement, man. I ain't gonna cap. My mama used to always write me, like, she used to, like, when gifts come, when holidays come and stuff, like, never, like, was no person. Like, I don't really celebrate holidays to this day. You know what I'm saying? But if it was to give me a gift or something, she always, like, a card, she'll always write a note in there. You get what I'm saying? So, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't read that shit, though. They get into this shit, man.
Shit.
I ain't gonna lie, this shit looking kind of decent from the goddamn, from the jump on the low. This shit looking alright. Oh, shit. Man, what size is it? Come on, bit, bro. Let me make sure, bro. Is it on the end? Oh, damn, my bad, bit, bro. Okay. It's in here. Oh, man, my bad. I'm bad. I like this shit right here. This shit decent. I actually wear some shit like this for real. There's one. Man, we got some action. I need this shit too, man. I'm finna go to Vegas. I'm finna go return some shit I just bought the other day. Y'all niggas just sent me this drip. They did Kurt Cobain, Jimi Hendrix. Like, hey, man, it's Poe. Let me see what the name of this shit. I don't even want to goddamn fuck their name up, because y'all actually got some good shit. Pizzazz World. I hope I'm saying it right. Pizzazz World, new collection dropped September 2026. Hey, I'm fucking with it, man. I like, they said nothing but P, ain't it? I like that. Pizzazz World, man. I think these boys, man, they go, okay. This shit, I hate Pizzazz. Find out some, let me find out y'all folks actually got some good shit out here, man, because this shit surprised me when I get some good shit, you know what I'm saying? But shit, you know, I'm gonna be transparent. If I like some shit, I like it, you feel me? And if I don't like some shit, I'm gonna goddamn just say what it is. Man, Pizzazz World, man. This shit hard, bro. Y'all got something on y'all hands. I ain't even gonna cap. I buy some shit like this for the store. You get what I'm saying? Y'all gotta let me know that y'all do this y'all sell. I know niggas who be in their warehouse around here be cutting up shit they damn sell, but I wonder y'all get this manufactured like this. And if y'all did, let me buy y'all manufactured for you, cause I need to goddamn get these niggas manufactured. Cause everybody always asks me, bro, show me the way. Where should I go? What should I do? I don't know. I don't make clothes. I just sell these shit. So, but this brand right here, man, I ain't even gonna cap. This probably the hardest brand I done seen that don't came through this motherfucker for real. Next to my folks from NO shit. Y'all like neck and neck for real. This shit right here, man. Pizzazz World, man. I think y'all out of what he said? Out of Kentucky, man. Shit. I'm fucking with y'all boys. Y'all know I'm gonna be transparent whenever I do these reviews. If I like some shit, bro, I'm gonna let y'all know I like it. Y'all can't get mad at me if y'all don't like the shit, but I'm just letting y'all know, you know what I'm saying? So, shit, this World right here. Good, man. We back, man. I got another box. Do a review on it, man. Let's see what's going on, man. Got a hat box. Play Runner, what's going on? Y'all sending me goddamn hats. Play Runner. I can't fit no hats personally, but you know, shit, I support Play Runner, different colorway. I got the goddamn off-white tag on this motherfucker. I mean, this shit smooth. They got a little, what is that shit called? QR code? Let me scan y'all QR code right quick so I can pull up y'all Instagram. Shit kind of cool. I like the off-white kind of, man, this shit don't work, bro. It might do work. My phone might just be janky too, though. But yeah, man. Player Runner. This shit smooth. I don't got no hats for real, man. Shit. Y'all know, I asked for some hats not that long ago, so I appreciate y'all. At least you out there trying to send something to try to figure it out. Me, I can't wear no hats. So what I can do is, man, I'm gonna let y'all get in the comments, man. Let me know, man. This is the type of hat I think y'all buy, cause at the end of the day, man, I gotta be real with myself. I'm not gonna buy nothing and put it in the store if my customer's not gonna buy it. You know what I'm saying? But even though it's like I could abuse my power and just put bullshit in here and know that I can sell it, you know what I'm saying? Cause I can sell anything in this motherfucker. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. But I'm not gonna really just buy no shit and try to put it on a nigga, you know what I'm saying? I want the motherfuckers to walk out this bitch and feel like they bought some shit that they really want to buy, cause I don't been to a lot of these stores. I just buy shit just cause I need some shit, you know what I'm saying? And I might not specifically like it. I want niggas to come here and buy some shit. They actually feel like they got something. They got their money worth, man, cause at the end of the day, folk work hard for that shit. That's why I don't respect a lot of y'all niggas with y'all brands, because Y'all niggas just trying to get paid. I'm not even thinking about the, you know what I'm saying, for ordering shit off y'all website, taking out 8 weeks to ship them shit. Like, come on, man. I come from retail, so I know that the customer is always right at the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't gonna get deep off into it. But Play Runner, man, these hats smooth. You know what I'm saying? I can't do talking about them because I don't really wear hats. We're gonna let the people in the comments decide, man. If y'all like these hats, man, y'all tap in. I might put something together with them. So, you know, I'm back here to show some reviews on some clothes, but it's a real brand that I just got from my boy Troy, November Rain. You know what I'm saying? It just got mixed in the boxes because he sent me this as a gift. So I'm just gonna open this up and show y'all some real quality shit just for the hell of it. You know what I'm saying? Because this is stuff that I saw right here. But he just gifted me these shirts. They just came in. I've been waiting on them for a minute. This November Rain right here. This my boy Troy. And the crazy thing about this is, man, Troy really take his shit. You know what I'm saying? So this is a real deal tee right here. Yeah, I see what this say. Real stars, you know what I'm saying? November Rain shit. Real brand I selling here. It just got mixed in with some of the goddamn boxes I just got because he gifted me these. Cause somebody I do biz. One thing about doing biz, and when you do good business with people, you show your appreciation. You reciprocate this shit back. So ever since I met Troy, I got introduced to him, man. We've been doing business. Always been on time. Any issues, he's always transparent. He's not gonna leave me in the blind. You know what I'm saying? And shit, like at the end of the day, you know how much this shit costs to get produced, how much it costs in production, man. Shit, this shit don't cost no money like that for real. So for him to just for me, man, just send me some free shit that I can make some money off. You know what I'm saying? This shit say a lot, man. Shout out to my boy Troy, November Rain. Man, this hand right here at 426, man. And y'all know I've been telling y'all send me boxes, man. So I'm gonna let y'all check this box out I just got in. See what brand this is. Damn, this shit's up. Damn, Apple Watch. Man, this shit. Check this out first. This shit look exciting. Oh, somebody sent me some shit. These hats kind of. Damn, I ain't wear no hat. But shit very artsy. And this shit look nice. I ain't gonna cap. I've been seeing a lot of people been doing like the up 7 hats and stuff. Man, shit. This shit tough. I'm tired of the up 7 hats, man, because y'all niggas probably wearing the fake ones anyway. So shit, I probably might need to get these for the love, just so I can put y'all niggas on something different. Cause I'm really tired of seeing niggas wearing the same fucking shit. Like y'all niggas be having on hats and shit. Y'all niggas twins or some shit. Like grow up, you feel me? Like I want to look like something so bad. That's why I created my own store, man, so I can have shit niggas ain't got. You know what I'm saying? See what's going on with these clothes. You see me a goddamn baby fat fit, didn't it? I got something for the ladies. Let me move this out of the way, man, so I can show y'all this shit. Got something for the ladies. Little baby fat motherfucker. What this shit say? Art cost? I ain't even say y'all name. My bad, bit, bro. Got an arts cost outfit. Art cost, man. That shit, it's decent. For sure, it's decent. What's this right here? Another little shirt. So I can see this like an artsy brand. Shit smooth. Man, they got the Dust O Dub motherfucker in this bitch. Awful lot of cough syrup. Damn, I nigga just dry this bitch and just put it in the goddamn shit. They got an awful lot of cough syrup. What this is, a collab? You just bought the shirt and just made it a collab? This shit tough though, shit. I wish you would have sent me my size bit, bro. I don't want no goddamn large. Y'all gotta goddamn start sending me my size bit, bro. You feel me? Awful lot of cough syrup shirt straight. This shit straight. Man, come on. I know y'all ain't loading me up with these jerseys like this bit, bro. Yeah, these jerseys ain't Nathaniel. I ain't even gonna catch you down. We was doing good at first when we got to the jerseys. This shit ain't talking about nothing, bit, bro. All these the same or they different? Like, y'all just sent these for the love. I understand, bro. I understand. Shit, we gonna make this shit work, man. This shit gonna go to a place, you feel? This shit gonna go to a better place, bit, bro. I promise you it is. I appreciate you for goddamn sending this shit, bro. But as far as like the hats, these hats definitely tough. Fuck them other hats. Oh, they right here, my bad. These hats, they tough. Like, especially this one right here. This the toughest one. I can't wear no hat, period. But this shit right here tough. All these bitches really tough, to be honest. Like, shit, the little baby fat outfit look, you know, these jerseys, no Nathaniel. This, I guess you might have just bought an awful lot of concert shirt and did the arts and crafts shit. But this shit smooth. I cared about it, you know what I'm saying? This, Nathaniel, I don't know what this is. You know what I'm saying? Like I got somebody send me stuff, but y'all already got y'all own motion too though, so I know only real niggas, really only hoe ass niggas gonna get mad and get on some shit I'm saying, and you asking me for my opinion and what I think about some shit. You know what I'm saying? So I understand y'all folks. This shit costs money, man. This shit ain't cheap. So shit, for you to invest your money in some shit, man, you gotta believe in yourself. You get what I'm saying? So if anybody let some words that I'm telling them affect them, y'all niggas ain't really, this shit not change anyway. You get what I'm saying? So like I said, man, I don't want to fart costs. Like shit, y'all shit decent, you know. I can kept the jerseys and shit, you know what I'm saying? But for like this shit, it's cool, man. Shit, I really want. I'll check out some more pieces y'all got. Y'all can just send me what else y'all said. I'm actually on Instagram and look myself. So shit, I'm gonna keep doing these reviews, man. Like I was telling folks earlier, man. Like I've been overwhelmed with stuff, so I've been sending me too much. So I appreciate all the love, but like I don't got to start charging folks to do these reviews now. You know what I'm saying? So I don't got it, man. I don't blew me up. You feel me? So I can't keep all this shit in. Just know, even if I don't keep y'all stuff aware, y'all stuff is gonna go to a better place. You know what I'm saying? I'm putting it in the right people's hands, the people who really need this shit. So y'all keep sending that shit, man. I'm gone.